So conversion of regular expression NFSM, how we'll convert, that is epsilon NFA. So here also we have certain rules. So for union we can say that we will be using epsilon. For example, I have A plus B. How I can represent? In previous direct method we were representing A comma B, but here we have to give a start state, we have to send some epsilon input, then we have to send our A input, then again we are sending the epsilon, because it is epsilon NFA conversion. So this is the method how we are giving. So it is going to new state. So this is how we are representing A plus B. Okay, next we have concatenation. For example, concatenation. So concatenation, how will represent? For example, AB is given. So AB we can represent as, it is starting A input, then it is sending some epsilon, because we are converting into epsilon, right? So A input, in between epsilon we have given, again we are sending the B input. So this is how we represent the concatenation. And for clean closure, so next operation is clean closure. So how we'll represent clean closure? Previously we were self looping, but here for example A star, how we are doing? We are representing as epsilon A and epsilon. So we are sending this self looping method as in this way. So when we are converting into epsilon NFA, we are doing this method. So for union we are sending from two different states and we are uniting this union. Here concatenation, we are concatenating, instead of dot operator, for example, we can keep this epsilon. Next, instead of self looping in clean closure in direct method, what we are doing? We are writing A input and we are sending, like from start state also it is sending the A input, from in between also it is taking A. So it can form any number of multiple A in this condition.